Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Fikri Hakim bin Awaluddin. Matric number S56828. So today I would like to present about my mini project. The title of my mini project is Automatic Washing Machine using PLC. So as you can see, this is my ladder simulator for my project. And the first round you can see they have stop, input and start, push button, input and done, and the system on. For the round 2, 3 and 4, as you can see they have the timer for the water level. They have 3 level, that's its high, medium and low. And the round 5 and 6 is for the water to fill in the washing machine. After the water is filled according to the water level that we choose, the input will activate and the timer for the spin will accumulate, and this goes on to the timer next for the soap, and for after that it spin again around 6 seconds, and then it stop for the softener to put in the washing machine, and then it spin again. Then after that the water will release and the time is around 7 seconds, and after that the dryer will on around 8 seconds, and after the dryer is on, the system for the alarm will activate after the dryer is done, and after the alarm is activated, they automatically done, and the whole system will close. So let's see the simulation of the program. First, let's replay the button. So after I start the push button, as you can see the system will on, and I choose the water level low, and water will fill in for 5 seconds, and that the input will go to the spin, and after the spin the soap will fill in the washing machine, and then it will spin again around 6 seconds, and then the softener, and after that we spin again for 6 seconds, and after that the water will release for the 7 seconds, and then the dryer will on for 8 seconds, and after the dryer is on, it will trigger the alarm, and alarm will activate the done, and all the system will close. As you can see, that is my mini project. Thank you very much.